Welcome. Thank you for your interest in exploring data on the inaugural NSF Engines Awards. Let's get started using the NSF Engines map tool. When you open the interactive map, you'll be viewing the first tab, a map of the NSF engines with both green and yellow symbols. The larger green symbols represent the 10 NSF Engines Awards. The yellow symbols represent the NSF Engines Development Awards. Click on the NSF Engines symbols to learn more about the NSF engine. To return to the main menu at any time, click in the blank white space around the map or select the reset button at the bottom. To get a full screen view, press the zoom symbol in the upper right corner of the map. On the right side of the dashboard, you can select filters to apply to the map. For example, under award type, filter the map to only show NSF Engine Awards or NSF Engine Development Awards. You can also filter the map to show engines working in a particular key technology area. For more filters, such as state awards, or to see all awards in a geographic area, click on More Filters in the upper right corner. If you're looking for information that is not provided by the filters, use the search bar. For example, you can search for a company name like NVIDIA. At the bottom of the dashboard, you have the option to download data, a map, and a PowerPoint of the information included here. The next tab is the Partnership Map, which highlights the flow of funding and collaboration across the NSF engines. This map showcases all of the relevant partnerships associated with the 10 NSF Engine Awards. To remove the lines of the map, select Off for the show flow of co-investment. If you want to view the partnerships for a specific NSF engine, select the NSF engine from the list on the left side of the map. The right side of the dashboard displays the partnership for the selected NSF engine and includes a key for specific organization types by color. In the Partnership Organizations box at the bottom right of the dashboard, you can scroll to see more information about partners for a specific engine. If you want to search for an organization's involvement in one or more NSF engines, use the search bar. The Geography tab displays a breakdown of awards in key technology areas by specific states and regions. To view multiple states or regions at once, click, hold, and drag over the area you'd like to learn about. The Demography tab contains two distinct tabs of data. Each tab displays a breakdown of the diversity of organizations within the NSF Engines portfolio. The tab of all NSF Engines and Development Awards includes demographic details on the full NSF Engines award portfolio. The NSF Engines Only tab includes specific information on the 10 NSF engines. For example, did you know that 6 out of the 10 NSF engines are receiving funding from NSF for the first time? The About tab includes a full timeline of the NSF Engines program from launch to the $160 million awards. For more information about the tremendous amount of work that NSF and the Directorate for Technology, Innovations, and Partnerships have put into launching this program, visit Regional Innovation Engines at the NSF website or email engines@nsf.gov to learn more.